It is raining hard today. Can you see the roads? Oh my goodness! I've never driven when it's like this. Like, I don't understand. There's puddles on the road. You can't even see some parts of the road. This part is good. Where I'm coming from, it is crazy. You can't even see the windshield clearly because it's so close to the windshield. You're just seeing it clear, but this is full mode, wiping mode, and I feel like there should be another setting. My goodness, today it decided to rain, and the person in front of me, the reason why I had to get out of that lane, they bumped into each other. Oh my god. No, the one who was in front of me bumped onto the person who was in front of that person. So yeah, you have to go slow when it's raining. Look at it. It looks deserted. Yeah, now you can see clearly the roads. You see how dark it is? I've even had to switch on my hazard. I never switch it on like most people do, but today I feel it's required so that people can see me. Although my lights are on automatically, but I felt like the hazard needed to be switched on. The problem is when you're in traffic, you move forward a little bit so that you can get some room then for your car, and then the person behind you moves as you move. Like the gap that you're leaving in between your car, it gets closed. I don't know. Anyway, as you can see, my wiper is going. But when you stop, it's not as bad. Once you start driving, then the rain is actually bad. Okay, it's time to move. Time to move. We are late for class. We are very late. It's 8:18. So, yeah. Look at these people. You can't see, but they were joining from the right. And it's not their turn to go yet. Anyway. I'll be happy when I reach school because today I've had to change my clothes twice. No, what? Is it once? Once. The clothes that I was wearing, we don't have a security guard. So the clothes that I was wearing, I had to change because they were wet. Because I had to open the gate for myself and whatnot. Hello people, good morning. It's Saturday morning. It is raining like crazy. Like, I can't even explain it. I've never driven with the road covered in water. I've been spared, but I think it was time for me now to grow up. I've been driving this car for more than a year now, and I've never found myself in that situation. But today, let me tell you, I couldn't even see the road. Like, who knew it gets this bad? Yeah, so I need to move to this other lane, but this car is moving slowly, so I wanted to pass so I can join the left lane. Okay, looks like he has given me space. Alright. Oh, he was standing. Good. So we are going to school. That's why I had to get out of the house despite the rain. I don't mind. What's happening on this lane? Oh, he's standing. And he's turning slowly, let me tell you. It's like he doesn't even want to turn. Anyway, he has turned. Okay, so Saturday morning, have class up to what time? 2? Up to 2 p.m. Then I have work from 3 to 5. I have a long day in front of me, but it's okay. I'm not complaining. So today, when I was opening the gate, because we don't have security guards during the day to open the gates for us, I had to open the gate for myself. Let me tell you where I had parked. It's somewhere outside, yeah, with no, shelter on my car. So I was rained on, and this is the jacket I was wearing. It's still very wet, but I had to go back inside, get a backup jacket because I'm gonna have to change. And then when I went back to the house, I had to change my clothes as well because, well, they were wet. Trouser was wet, so I had to change my trouser. So this is another trouser that I'm wearing. It's not the one that I had planned to wear, which is also fine. So that is my Saturday morning for you guys. I'm heading to town, and then I think I can remove the hazards now because now it has stopped raining as much, so people can see me. Before I felt like no one could see me because let me tell you, it was foggy, it was, I don't know, it was raining hard. Like people were even driving at 20 and 40 speed, that is. So that is how bad it was, but it's okay. Look at this motorbike driver. He's driving in the middle of a puddle and splashing onto himself water. People are crazy. Anyway, so I'm gonna have a long day. I have what do I have today? I have computer forensics at 10 to 12. I have ICT practical from 12 to 2. And right now I'm supposed to be having security, and then I have security, something to do with security information when it comes to networking. I don't know why I have a tiny panic attack when I splash water with my car. I don't want to splash people, but then I'm going at a very slow speed, but then it still splashes and I feel so bad. But I haven't splashed anyone, there's no one there. But even if there's no one, I always have this tiny panic attack because I was once a pedestrian. I was once a pedestrian, and needless to say, rain has never been my friend. Like, I don't consider me being splashed as a good day for me. So, oh my God. There's a big bottle that you can't even see it. Anyway, we are back to heavy rains. It's back. Me, I'm gonna go like a very old woman. People will have to just be angry at me. I'm driving at 25. Half of my class will be done by the time I get to school. Okay, here it's good. So let me tell you guys, story time. There was this guy who I had met out of nowhere, and I didn't know he was a bad guy. I just thought he was. I tend to, if I don't know someone, I tend to not have expectations until they give me the expectations that I need to have for them. So yeah, long story. The paddles again. Okay, sorry. Yeah, yes, those are the mini panic attacks I get. I'm literally driving at 40. Let me tell you. Okay. Oh. I don't trust these paddles because our roads are bad anyway. So I was telling you guys, that guy is not even looking at the road. He was like onto me. What's happening to people? See, they're being honked at because they're driving badly. Anyway, so I was telling you a story. So the person apparently killed someone, and they've been now sentenced to how many years? 30? Needless to say, this was a guy that was like, I want to marry you. I'm a Christian. I believe in God. Of which even bad people do believe in God. I don't. Oh, let me show you this. Our road today, I don't even know. I hope you guys can see the state of our roads. There's no rain, like water, because it's a slope. It goes downwards. So I'm thinking when we reach around the town, that will be another case. That's what I'm thinking. What? Is that car like overheating? Oh my god, I can't see the road. Okay. Slow but steady. Slow. I knew here there was gonna be water because the road that we were at, it's a slope. Now you see here, it's now like the water bank. If only you can see the sides of my road, of my car when I'm driving. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna drive on this other side. Where? Okay, I go slow. You know it's bad if I'm driving and I don't bite my nails and I feel the urge to bite them. Okay. Roundabout. Okay, can you see? I feel like I'm having a mini heart attack. Okay, we're done. Okay, we're good. Okay, let's get out of these roads, yeah? Okay, that one has given me way. Good, thank you. So now we find our parking. We find our parking lot. If this is not God, who is? See, I have reached town without any hiccups. I serve a very big God. I serve a very big God. Okay, parking area. I'm paying with M-Pesa, so look at the road, left, right, right, left, right again, and we are here.